banana.
Welcome to the first presidential debate between Senator John Senator and the candidate currently leading in polls in multiple states, Monkey. Alright, if each candidate could introduce themselves and why the people should vote for them. First, Mr. Senator.
As a candidate who has been senator for years, it is clear that I am qualified for position as president. My opponent has no political experience, at least with humans. I believe in serving the people. When I am president, we will see better health care, a better economy, and I will ensure everyone in this country feels like they can strive for life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Thank you, Mr. Senator. Same question for you, Monkey.
Peanut.
Thank you, Monkey. Now, looking at the economy, what can you do to boost our economy? Mr. Senator, you first.
Well, it all starts with our relationship with other countries. We must boost relations with the rat countries, ones we have ignored for far too long.
And you, Monkey? How will you help our economy? I have fleas. Let's go! Let's go!
Wait, isn't that a bad thing?
Excellent. That is excellent, Monkey. Next up, what can you do to boost overall happiness among citizens? Mr. Senator?
Well, it all starts with listening. As president, I will listen to what needs to happen, whether this be through housing, health care, or overall safety. I will bring much needed change.
All right. And Monkey? I am Monkey.
It's true.
This just in. The country is going insane as news comes out of a scandal involving presidential candidate Monkey. I can't believe this. I never thought he could do something so cruel.
He's a liar. That's what he is, a liar.
If you're just tuning in, it has been discovered that popular presidential candidate Monkey is not a monkey at all. He is actually a chimpanzee.
So you see, monkeys actually have tails. Chimpanzees, which are actually a great ape, do not have tails. Monkey is not a monkey at all.
He's a traitor to America and a traitor to the world. I've never been so ashamed.
I've been talking about how I'm voting for Monkey for weeks. I have a Vote Monkey shirt. What am I supposed to do now? What do I tell my kids? After announcing his resignation, Monkey refuses to answer any questions involving this heinous scandal. With no further opponents, John Senator has become presidential-elect. Despite this, the country mourns over Monkey and his scandal.
He lied to us. How could we trust anything he says? All those great promises he made. The country, no, the world will never be the same. Shame on you, Monkey. Shame on you.